One Take Tyler here from Vernon Toyota. Today we're going to have a look at this 2024 TRD Off Road 4Runner. Just over 57,000 K on this one, in great condition. It's been dressed up with a lift kit, some nice Falken Wild Peak all-terrain tires. Off-road does have the coolest interior in my opinion. It has this black kind of carbon fiber looking surround on the console and whatnot. Heated seats, Toyota safety sense, sunroof. It does have all your off-road stuff, locking rear diff, multi-terrain select, crawl control. These seats do fold up like this, and then we can put the headrest down, and so it's fairly flat there. It does have the roll down back window as well as tow package with 7-pin and 4-pin wiring. Lots of room in the hatch, privacy cover, spare tires underneath. And that is an aftermarket basket on top to make it look kind of like a TRD Pro with all the blackout badges. So that's just a quick look at this 2024 TRD Off-Road 4Runner. Just over 57,000 kilometers on this one. We are asking $66,995 plus fees and taxes. If I can give you any more information, give Tyler a call at Vernon Toyota. 250-545-0687. Thanks and have a great day.